All right, guys, let's just say you're looking for a simple wood cabin. This is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough of this one. I know everybody's busy. So this is an all wood cabin. It's a 14 by 40 with a 6 foot by 40 foot front porch. You got a 26 gauge metal tin roof. It's black with the black shutters to match. Okay, again, the dimensions is 14 by 40 with a 6 foot by 40 foot front porch. It does come with a porch swing to the left side of the front door. Okay, let me take y'all inside real quick. When you come inside, there you go. You walk through the front door, look to the left. Let me step back so you can see it all. There's your living room area there. We got some Amish furniture there just to fill up the space a little bit. And when you come over this way, got your double pane windows. Come over this way like this. This is where your little kitchenette area is going to go. So we'll put your sink. You can see we're getting ready to install a sink over here. Sink will go right here. Refrigerator goes in this nook. Okay, got your microwave up top, little cabinet, or we can put more cabinets up there. And then here is where your refrigerator is going to go on the right side. Okay, and then most folks will put, refrigerator over there, stove over here. Sorry, I got carried away for a second. So stove goes here, refrigerator goes here, sink goes here, microwave goes here. That's how they usually set it up. Okay, that way you got a little kitchenette, kind of open concept into your living room area. Again, you got the beams up there. And then as you go to the back, you got a hallway here. Door number one, you got your barn doors here, as you can see. This is gonna be a really good size, generous bathroom. We can put a window on the other back side of it if you want. Here, bedroom number one with the barn door on it. And then last but not least, put your master bedroom over here at the end. So again, just a 2-bed, 1 bath. This one is just $69,000 as is, or you can buy this one fully turnkey with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks in it for $110,000. Beautiful cabin. Again, this is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. Look at them beautiful knotty pine floors. Give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. I love to brag on these wood and screen porches there, built by the Amish. Isn't that cool? All right, guys, we got a new one on the lot. We call this one the Rocky Balboa because this one will knock you out. The Rocky Balboa. Beautiful structure here, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. We can do this one on a trailer, or we can do it off a trailer. As you can see, this one is built on a trailer as a park model, RVIA certified. Again, what I love about this one is you got that beautiful board and batten kind of metal siding with that tongue and groove pine on the facing, and you see the ridge got the LED lights and all that on the roof. Isn't that pretty? I love this kind of Scandinavian Nordic look. The dimensions on this one is 13 by this one is 13 by, I think what they say it was 37. 13 by 37, I think is what this one is. Yeah, 13 by 37. And you can look at the exact dimensions on the website. And let me go ahead and take you inside this one real quick. I don't have a lot of time today because I got some customers coming to my lot to talk to me about a couple of things. So let's walk in here and show you this one real fast. So right when you walk in, again, you got them pretty dark floors. You got the white birch walls. That ain't sheetrock, y'all. That's real birch wood painted white. And then you got the dark ceiling, which I love. Okay, I love that contrast where you got the black windows. By the way, these are Anderson windows. Okay, those are black Anderson windows. So you got like a little living room area here. There's your Bosch mini split. Okay, and then you got 1 bedroom over here. Okay, which you can easily fit a twin or a full bed in here, or you could do a bunk bed, like a twin bunk bed, or one of them bunk beds where you got the full size one on the bottom and then the twin on top. And again, you got your, look at this, got your pocket doors for privacy. Open those up and it opens up into your full kitchen. So you got your electric stove. Obviously, you got your refrigerator right over there. and you're ready to roll. Okay, so you're ready to roll there. You got some little shelving. Okay, we got some people here wanting to get in this one, so let me hurry up. Here in the bathroom, we haven't put the little thing on top of the commode yet. I still got the blue tape on it, so I'm getting ready to put that on there. But I was in a hurry to kind of film this for y'all real quick. There you go, you got your full shower here. I'm just doing a quick video. I'll do a more in-depth one later. Stackable, washer and dryer with more cabinet space up top. And then you got bedroom number 2, which is the master bedroom over here. Got your little fan. Again, I love all that lighting coming in. You got that shed roof. There's your other mini split with the remote control. All kinds of natural light coming in. Again, this is just a quick tour. I'll do a more in-depth tour later. But right now, I got people wanting to get in here to see this one. So let me get out of their way. All right, guys, let's do a quick tour of the one that we call the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. This one is a more modern style cabin. This is a 14 by 40 with a 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch. And look how pretty this thing is here, guys. Sorry, it was a little loud out there. So again, you got your 2 by 6 exterior wall studs. You got your black board and batten metal. You got either fiberglass or spray foam insulation is an upgrade inside your walls for insulation. Okay, look how pretty this is. Huge open concept living room, kitchen area. They got that beautiful light tongue and groove pine on the walls, in the ceiling. And then you got your dark floors, right? And you got windows everywhere. So you got a window here, window there, window over there by the kitchen. These are Anderson double pane windows. They staged it a little bit for me because I told them I was coming in to film today. So this is just a little staging they did for me because again, this is getting ready to go to the customer. But I wanted it to look a little bit staged. So when I put it on film, it looks good for y'all. Again, there's your window, there's your Bosch mini split. It does come with the 2 Bosch mini splits. You got your General Electric microwave, and then here the customer opted in for a 2-burner induction stove, and you got a full-size refrigerator right over here. Got your nice knotty pine kitchen cabinets all around, lots of cabinet space. And let me turn around and show you this angle of it. And again, really nice size, very livable living room area, which I love. Again, I'm a tall fella, I'm 6'6", and I fit very comfortably in here. My head, my arms ain't nowhere near hitting the top of this ceiling. You got your 8-foot walls and it goes up to the peak with a 412 pitch. Going down the hallway, again, let me turn around one last time here and show you, because I like to take my time and really show you every nook and cranny. You see how we got all the electrical outlets already in there, exactly where the customers wanted them. Okay, there's your electrical switches. You got your controller for your Bosch mini split. And again, just picture it all organized here. Got your little living room area and put your little dining room table, and voila, do your cooking over there. Going on back down the hallway, you got your full bathroom. Okay, you got your full bathroom going here. They opted in for a walk-in shower. Now, of course, you can always do a tub, but a lot of our customers, they're getting older, so they don't want to risk falling out of a tub, trying to get in and out of a tub. So they do a lot of these walk-in showers, are very popular. And then you got your commode. They went with the little stainless steel sink. There's your mirror. And again, let me close this up here so you can see what the bathroom looks like. All privatized and closed up. And voila. Again, beautiful knotty pond all around. And last but not least, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Here's your commode. And again, there is your walk-in shower. Got your light switch. And like I said, I got them running some electric to this one now because they got it folded up ready to ship. You'll notice this window here is all dark, and so is this window because we got the porch folded down for transportation, so that's why it's all dark. Obviously, you know, when the porch is folded up, it'd be nice and bright in here. There's your side window, there's your mini split, and then of course, this customer they opted in for their, for the closet right here. Nice, really nice sized bedroom, which you could easily fit a king size bed in here. Over here in the closet, there's your closet there. There is your tankless instant water heater. And again, with that being that small, you got all that closet. You can maximize the space in the closet. And like I said, they've rigged up the electrical panel for me here to have the lights on. They got the wire running out the window for me. Because I said they temporarily wanted to make sure I had enough lighting in here to film the content. But this is your 200 amp electric box, all done up to code. And again, this is the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. Blessings to you and yours. Again, call us at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Let's get you a beautiful handcrafted Amish built cabin on your land. Y'all be blessed. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love y'all. You know who it is. Cabin Cowboy, baby.